Traditional attendance methods, such as calling them or signing on paper, can be time-consuming, inaccurate, and easy to misuse. This system provides a faster, more accurate, and efficient ways to record attendance.
These problem statements include 4 issues related to using a manual attendance system. Firstly, high risk of losing paper attendance record, like paper attendance record can be lost, damaged, or forgotten, making them hard to find when needed. Secondly, manual attendance recording takes too much time, like taking attendance by hand takes more time and can lead to mistakes. Thirdly, slow report and difficult attendance tracking, like attendance report take longer to prepare, and it is harder to keep track of student attendance. Lastly, students can cheat the attendance system, like some students may mark attendance for their friends, marking the attendance record.
First objective is to record attendance automatically using QR codes. Instead of using paper attendance sheet, students simply scan the QR code using their smartphone. This process only takes a few seconds, making attendance much faster, especially for large class. Our second objective is to store attendance records systematically and securely. When students submit the Google form, all responses are automatically saved in Google Sheet. This makes it easy for lecturer to organize, search, and review attendance record whenever needed. Our third objective is to prevent attendance fraud. There will be active code that change every 5 minutes, so students who are absent cannot ask their friends to submit attendance on their behalf.
Firstly, the benefit of our system is that it saves time during the attendance system because attendance is recorded using QR code. Secondly, our system prevents fraud in attendance record because students cannot easily fake attendance. Thirdly, it provides faster access to attendance record because the record can be accessed anytime. Next, it supports paperless and environmentally friendly system because no paper attendance sheets are required. Lastly, it improves the efficiency of attendance management because attendance is recorded and
QR
managed
code
automatically.
preventing sharing among students. By using an active changing QR code, screenshot quickly become invalid, so students need to be physically in the class to scan it in real time. The second function is to record attendance automatically. Traditional roll calling or passing around sign-in sheet wastes valuable lecture time, and automatically recording shifts the responsibility to the student and instantly compiles the data, freeing up the teachers to focus entirely lesson delivery. The third one is to store attendance automatically in Google Form and Google Sheet. Teachers don't have to manually transfer record at the end of the day. The data is neatly organized, centralized, and ready for easy sorting, grading, or archiving. Finally, reduce paper usage for the attendance management. Paper-based attendance are easily lost and damaged. Therefore, there will be no more heavy filling cabinets taking up room, no need to spend on paper and printing, and records are stored
Modality
safely
dynamic session code. A unique active code can be generated for each class session. This prevents the reuse of previous attendance codes and reduces the risk of attendance fraud.
We also use this QR code for tag attendance in industry, such as we will use it in the fire and rescue department, police, government agency, and the last one in education institutions.